Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the certificate of entry, and we're also discussing so-called vaccine passports. It's kind of a euphemism. It's been developed over the course of the past year. A recent article from Thai Visa, that's thaivisa.com, which really didn't exactly have anything to do with this on point precisely, but there's a snippet in here that I thought was really useful. And they were quoting from, Thai Visa was quoting from Bangkok Business News, but Thai Visa's paraphrasing and translation of that article, or Bangkok Business News is reporting, that article on thaivisa.com is titled, Tourism Reopening, 4 Phases on the Cards, No Quarantine at All from October. And quoting directly, along with it, and what they're talking about is this phased in, it being this phased out quarantine restrictions. Along with it will be an end of the certificate of entry document that will be replaced by a vaccine certificate, perhaps the so-called vaccine passport, quote unquote. I thought that was a very interesting note. We have discussed certificates of entry pretty much since they came about, almost within days of them being created by regulation pursuant to the emergency decree regarding the response to COVID here in Thailand in March 2020. I think even we may have, I think our firm was responsible for assisting in obtaining one of, if not, I would doubt it would be the first, but it was definitely one of the first certificates of entry issued out of the United States. And we did a video on that where we redacted it and we put it up in the video to show folks what it looked like, because a lot of people didn't even know what it looked like. It was so new. So we've been following certificates of entry for a while, since they were created. And it's interesting to me, my surmise, and I did another video more in depth on this topic, I thought that they were going to morph into something akin to the electronic system for travel authorization, which is what the United States uses even for those who have visas or visa waivers to go into the United States. Again, all of this remains to be seen. This is kind of all up in the air, but it's interesting to speculate that effectively the certificate of entry, from sort of an administrative point of view, that document would kind of be replaced or would kind of evolve into this vaccination certificate. That remains to be seen. That being stated, we will keep you updated on this channel as the situation progresses.